now I'll take you through certain Korean skincare routines. You tell me what makes sense to Indian skin, what doesn't. Anta. Modanedagi face yoga.
I'm not sure of this face yoga. I'm not a...
You don't
I do not, because one, though we are saying we're going to use Botox for what? Overexpression or hyper-expression. All the lines yellin baratte, not because necessarily because of aging. We recruit these muscles more, produce more lines in the skin. Yaak heli? On the face, all the muscles of facial expression are attached to the skin, unlike elsewhere. You can't express on your forearm. So, you're creasing the skin. Correct. Absolutely. So that's how we express and understand what the other person's feeling or conveying. Now, adan takondu iga face yoga madidre, nothing wrong with face yoga. But if you say, I don't want fine lines and wrinkles induced by muscle contraction, then why would you want yoga? That is from an aesthetic perspective. Now, if you say face yoga helps in blood circulation, this, that, I say fine, be happy. Nothing wrong with it.
So you're saying every exercise or every find has a byproduct like 2-3. Now you need to pick why you do yavudakke ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, which byproduct are you okay to live with.
Correct.
Face massager ಅಥವಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದು Onyx
yes, all of those, all fads. Yes, I mean, is massaging the face a good thing? Probably. At least you feel nice if you did that. Sometimes just feeling nice is an important element. It heals you. It calms your mind. So all of these things, if they achieve that for you, you can't argue with it.
So you can't sculpt your face?
No. I wish that could happen. You do this and the skin goes in that direction. It doesn't work.
It's not cement, it is skin.
Absolutely.
Munde toner pad is one fad today. Are you a fan of it?
No, I'm not.
Why?
Neutral, meaning precisely.
Toner ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ?
Toner is supposed to tighten your pores. So in any routine you would know. People will talk of a cleanser. You would
CTM.
Absolutely. You will tone the skin and then use a moisturizer and a block and so on. But the role of a toner, strictly in terms of proven effects, carries the least convincing data compared to the cleanser, the moisturizer and the sunblock. So the toner, if it's in your routine, fine, nothing wrong with it. Might act as a mild astringent, tightens your pores. Nothing wrong if you used a toner. So, yeah.
All right. ಮತ್ತೆ probiotics in skincare ಅದೊಂದು ಹೊಸದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ಪ್ಯಾಂಥೆನಾಲ್ ತರಾನೇ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ.
ಹೌದು. Probiotics, of course, we all know probiotics taken internally to alter them. Absolutely. The gut microbiome. The skin microbiome, of course, we carry 1 trillion organisms on our skin. So you use live organisms in a cream formulation, which improves hydration, reduces inflammation, and so on. But I'm not sure that, other than specific contexts, I'm not sure that a probiotic cream needs to be an essential part of somebody's routine. Not as yet.
One question, ಇದೆಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬರೋದು, one A for apple ಇತ್ತು ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲು. Today there are like hundreds of creams available. Honestly, ಎಷ್ಟು layers of cream can the skin actually absorb?
This whole layering process. Multi
skincare regime.
Yes. I think sometimes we need to draw the line somewhere. ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, more is less and less is more. In terms of this daily routine, more has become less. The more and more and more you feel is not enough. One more. You read another product and you then layer that on top. I think sometimes we need to deconstruct some of these things. And like I said in the beginning, you don't need to do too much to the skin. Yes, your diet is important. Cleansing, obviously. Hydration when needed. Sunblocking also most of the times. Ast madidre, your skin will look after itself. Adding to this, now you say we want to move it a couple of notches. Yes, introduce a product like a vitamin C, a hyaluronic acid, a night retinol serum or cream, niacinamide. But it does not mean you need to have 4 in the morning and 4 in the evening. I think keep it simple. Choose 2 actives. ಒಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ have no time, just rotate it at night. One night this and one night that.
ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೈಟಮಿನ್ ಸಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಲುರಾನಿಕ್, ರೆಟಿನಾಲು,
Yes.
ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕ್ರೀಮ್.
No.
ನಿಯಾಸಿನಮೈಡ್,
Yes.
ಗ್ಲೈಕೋಲಿಕ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಯಾಲಿಸಿಲಿಕ್.
So ಈ ಥರ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀವು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ, I think generally unless the skin was of a certain kind, you could leave out the salicylic and the glycolic. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? You can use the vitamin C in the morning, retinol at night. Younger skin, use niacinamide once, vitamin C once. Or skin is generally good, just use niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. But it's not necessary that you run all 4 at the same time.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಇದು, ಆಲ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಕೌಂಟರ್ಸ್ ಟುಡೇ ಈ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಐಟಂಗೆ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಅದ್ರ ಫ್ಯಾನಾ? ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗತ್ತಾ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಶೀಟ್ಸ್? ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಟೀ ಅಂತೆ, ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಅಂತೆ.
See, sometimes now we use masks in the clinic. ಅವಾಗೇನು post procedure active procedure ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, then just as a calming agent we may use a mask. Sometimes a sheet mask, sometimes a clay mask, sometimes other masks. But a mask ಎಷ್ಟೇ ingredients ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, there's limited penetration into the skin. So mainly ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ it hydrates. It's a hydrating mask mostly. Maybe some brightening mask, some actives, arbutin irutte, kojic acid irutte, some
Just
brightening.
like snacking for the skin anta
Snacking for the skin. You correct term use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ. So you will, if you haven't used one, you're not missing much. Use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, it makes you feel happier. Good.